Welcome to the best picks. The best long handle clippers is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial tools for maintaining healthy feet, especially for seniors or people with limited mobility. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect long handle toenail clippers, ensuring you get the best fit for your needs and preferences, making nail care easier and more comfortable than ever before. Number 5. Huing Podiatrist Toenail Clippers. It's specially designed with a sharp curved blade, making cutting ingrown and thick nails a breeze. Experience effortless trimming. They're crafted from high-quality surgical-grade stainless steel, ensuring rust resistance and long-lasting durability. It's a truly robust tool. Unlike single-spring clippers, it boasts a double-spring mechanism for extended use and a smoother cutting action. Enjoy long-lasting performance. The handles are made with non-slip ABS material, providing a comfortable and firm grip for easy cutting. Enjoy comfortable and precise trimming. These clippers are easy to clean and maintain, making them a sustainable and hygienic choice for years to come. A smart investment for healthy nails. It's more than just a clipper, it's a long-term solution for all your nail care needs. Invest in healthy, well-maintained nails. What we like? It boasts an incredibly sharp, curved blade, perfect for those pesky ingrown or thick nails. The durable, high-quality steel ensures it will last. If you need a long-lasting, heavy-duty clipper for thick nails, this is the one for you. What people say. The sharp curved blade is specifically tailored for tackling those pesky ingrown nails with ease. Made from high-quality surgical-grade stainless steel, these clippers are not only durable but also rust-resistant. The updated handle design is a stroke of genius. Crafted from ABS material, it provides a non-slip grip that feels comfortable in hand, allowing for precise and controlled cutting without any slipping or discomfort. The blades are very sharp and I like how the thick plastic handles gave me a good grip. I was able to cut through all the toenails, even the big toe, with ease. Number 4. Easy Grip 360 Rotary Nail Clipper Set. Introducing a revolutionary nail clipper set designed for comfortable and effortless nail trimming. It's perfect for anyone who wants a simple solution for neat nails at home. These clippers feature an extra-wide opening, making them ideal for thick or large nails. Say goodbye to struggling with difficult toenails. With a rotating head and long handles, it's easy to find the perfect angle and reduce strain. These clippers are perfect for seniors and those with arthritis. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these clippers are built to last a lifetime. They provide a clean, precise cut every time. Give the gift of comfortable nail care. This set is a thoughtful present for anyone who appreciates ease and convenience. What we like? This set includes a rotating head clipper, a game changer for those with arthritis or limited mobility. The extra-wide opening easily accommodates thick nails. If you need easy and comfortable nail care, this set is your best bet. What people say. The clippers cut the nails effortlessly. We've been through a million nail kits in our household and this one is awesome. We got it specifically for the black-handled tool and it cut right through thick toenails. Turns out the clippers with the handle that rotates are a pretty handy item that I would buy separately if I had to now that I know how useful they are, not only for getting my toenails at the weird angle I have to sit in to reach them but also for cutting my son's nails with a lot less having to move around to get to and stay at the right angle. Number 3. Senior Nail Clipper Kit. This complete kit makes nail care easier and more comfortable. It's perfect for seniors and anyone with thick or difficult nails. The kit includes a podiatrist-style clipper, a rotating head clipper, a wide jaw clipper, and a smoothing file. Everything you need for a perfect manicure or pedicure. It features an extra-wide jaw opening, ideal for seniors. The surgical-grade blades effortlessly cut even the toughest nails. The long handles require less grip strength, making it easy for everyone to use, regardless of dexterity. The angled clippers rotate for optimal positioning. Made from durable surgical-grade stainless steel, it features precision-honed blades that stay sharp for years. A truly worthwhile investment. This kit makes a practical and caring gift for your loved ones. Give the gift of easy and comfortable nail care. What we like? This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for at-home nail care, from clippers to a file. The extra-wide jaw opening and long handles make it perfect for seniors or people with dexterity issues. If you value convenience and a complete solution, this is it. What people say. The clippers cut the nails effortlessly. We've been through a million nail kits in our household and this one is awesome. We got it specifically for the black-handled tool and it cut right through thick toenails. Turns out the clippers with the handle that rotates are a pretty handy item that I would buy separately if I had to now that I know how useful they are. Not only for getting my toenails at the weird angle I have to sit in to reach them but also for cutting my son's nails with a lot less having to move around to get to and stay at the right angle. Number 2. SMI Long Handle Toenail Scissors. It's made from durable stainless steel, ensuring exceptional strength and precision. This makes it perfect for trimming even the thickest and most stubborn nails. The long handle provides a comfortable grip and easy reach, perfect for those with limited mobility. It's designed to make nail care easier and more comfortable. They are suitable for trimming toenails, nail tips, and even pedicures. It's a truly versatile tool for all your nail grooming needs. With its sharp blades, it offers smooth and precise cutting without any snagging or discomfort. Nail care will be a breeze. It helps you confidently tackle thick, ingrown, or difficult nails. Get salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. What we like. These scissors feature an extra-long handle, providing excellent reach and control, especially beneficial for seniors or those with limited mobility. The sharp blades ensure clean, precise cuts. If you prioritize ease of use and precise cuts, this is for you. What people say. I am mobility impaired, and could not reach my smaller toenails with regular toenail clippers. I was surprised when I received these, they were larger and sturdier than I thought. I still have to go through some maneuvers to reach the toes on my bad leg, but I was very pleased at how sharp the scissors are. With reduced range of motion I had lost the ability to perform some self-care. Items like this have returned a degree of independence to my activities of daily living, and that's wonderful. I couldn't understand how these would work before I got them, but they're very effective and not difficult to handle. Love the long straight sharp blades. The handle is perfect length to reach my toes. I am happy to be able to cut my own nails. This nail cutter is solid and well designed. Number 1. DEPSUNNY Foldable Toenail Clippers. It folds up easily for storage and travel. No tools are needed to assemble it, making it incredibly convenient. The built-in magnifier helps you see your toenails clearly, ensuring precise and safe trimming. Its long handle is designed for comfortable use, whether you're sitting or standing. You can find the perfect grip for you. Made with durable aluminum and steel, it's lightweight and easy to handle. It's built to last. It can be used by both left and right-handed individuals. Simply adjust the thumb screws to convert it. For best results, soak your feet to soften nails and cuticles before clipping. Take your time, it may take some practice to get used to it. If you have any issues, contact us through Amazon. We're here to help you. What we like. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable and easy to store. The built-in magnifier adds precision, and the adjustable handle ensures comfortable use for everyone. If you value portability, precision, and adjustability, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The long handle design makes it easier to cut nails, especially suitable for people with poor hand dexterity. I was concerned that my old hands would be too weak to make the clippers work, but the design provides lots of leverage, and that was not a problem. The blades of the scissors are very sharp, and the trimming is also very precise, without any pulling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.